Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to capture photo and record video using only voice command in iPhone smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings and now just scroll down below and click on this accessibility. Now once again scroll down below again. Now you'll see here voice control option. Just click on it. Now just turn on the voice control. Now let us open this camera application. So now just say open camera. So now you can see the camera application has been opened. Now in order to take a picture, just say tap take picture. So you can see it's working perfectly. So let us try again. Tap take picture. So you can see it's working perfectly. So now in order to switch to the video mode, just say tap video. So you can see here. Now if you want to start video recording, just say tap record. So you can see here it's recording. So now if you want to stop the recording, say tap stop. So the video recording has been stopped. Now if you want to switch back to the photo option, just say tap photo. So now you can see it's switching back to the photo. Now if you want to switch to the front camera, then just say tap camera chooser or tap flip camera. So it will choose to the front camera. Now if you want to choose back to the default camera, then once again just say tap flip camera or tap camera chooser. Then it will choose back to the back camera. And now if you want to close this camera application, just say close camera. So you can see it's closing the camera application. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily capture photo and record video using only voice command in iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.